Good morning, everyone. Okay, so for the update today, guys, sobrang sama ng panahon ngayon. And currently, it started to rain again. So, last night, it was raining also. I hear the bang on the window. And today, it's still the same. And this 7 a.m., it started already to rain. And then the water is coming here inside on this window. So, when I go here outside, I just try to close it because the water is coming in this floor. So, yeah. And let's check what time today. It's 12:39, guys. And the whole morning was raining. And yeah, so we're here today. We're actually checking it from time to time because we cannot even go out. There is a wind, and also it comes back a rain from time to time. Like they give you 2 minutes, and then after that it's gonna be back again. So it was a bad weather, and I don't know what to vlog yet. We just made our lunch today, just a sandwich, and we had a coffee with cookies this morning, which is good. Our stomach was good enough to survive until this afternoon. So I don't know if we can go out later, or maybe one can go there and then get some food, especially the meat that we always eat for dinner. So today I will show you guys how was the thing downstairs, and we're gonna go up through the stairways since we cannot make a food vlog today, just like a normal like this. And I'm gonna show you what's in there and how it looks like. So it's been my first time to do this. I tried to use this headphone actually on my ear just to give a little good sound for you, because I already broke the headphone that I have, guys. I usually use it even outside, and then I just let it stay on this phone. So I'm thinking that maybe it's overused already, or I just let it to be in here on my cell phone. That's the reason why it's got broke. So yeah, I will show you guys what's in here first. So the water goes from the ceiling. Let's take a look over there. So earlier I saw it, and it was a big rain from there going down to this part. So let's take a look down. Actually, from here it's wet over there. So the construction workers are not working anymore because it's heavy, or it is heavy rain today. Look at that. So the water is almost flooding, and this part of the stairs are already wet. So yeah, I love that calamansi. I saw calamansi that is already ripe. Okay, so let's go back. And here almost wet, guys. Almost wet over this stairways. And look at that. It was rainy day for the whole morning, and maybe it's gonna be whole day. Guys, you actually don't have to. Okay, let's get something to eat today. I have one of this waffle. Okay, so I have a lot here of things to do. I just have water here on this bottle because I have to put that when the part of here will be available. It depends when. And also some milk. We just had already our lunch and breakfast this morning, but I feel like I want to drink and eat something, so maybe because of the weather, I don't know. We just had our tuna this morning with a juice, and I had also my coffee and, you know, wafers bar. So let's eat this. I was here earlier when I was doing my slides, and let's do it like this, guys, like to separate each other. Okay. This morning I see a cut over here and I think it's not very cold, that's why I left here. That's good. Okay, so currently it's 3 p.m. and let's take a look outside how it goes. So it's still raining, guys. It's a whole day raining here in the Boracay, and what's the bad part was people cannot go outside because of the rain. Exactly, have some umbrella to them. So yeah, I'm gonna give you an update. So it's been almost a day and it's been non-stop raining here in the Boracay. So look at that area. That's the area of constructions workers. So they do a little house just for them to sleep over there. And also they are cooking in that side. There's down the trees. Alright, so yeah, that's just an update for today, guys, because it takes a very long time of the rain. It won't stop anyways. I just guess that it's gonna be like whole day and then until later at night. Watching Bloodsport. It is an action movie, guys, which I like. We're gonna see here how is the rain today. So yeah, I just did my shorts video here and you can see it's wet, and here it goes, guys. The rain starts again. Look at that. I showed you here already, and time check now is 3:10 p.m. Let's drink some strawberry juice. Okay, so it's 6:01 p.m. guys, and natapos na din sa wakas yung ulan. So, nag-ano na ako, nagluluto na ako ng manok. So, ipapakita ko siya sa inyo, guys. Ayan na, medyo dark will be very soon. So, I'm gonna show you how to make it. the chicken.
Explains a lot. No witnesses.